The office has been investigating the situation of the Philippines for some time in relation to the so-called war on drugs. The team submitted a warrant application to the judges of the pre-trial chamber. The judges have issued that warrant and it's been executed. Judges have found reasonable grounds to believe that Mr. Duterte has committed the crime of murder.
Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte was taken into custody by the International Criminal Court on March 12th after his arrest in Manila. The charges against him are related to his controversial war on drugs, during which thousands of alleged drug dealers and users were killed. According to the ICC, Duterte was surrendered to the custody of the International Criminal Court following his arrest by Philippine authorities on murder charges classified as crimes against humanity. The 79-year-old was flown to Rotterdam earlier that day and will soon appear before an ICC judge in The Hague for an initial hearing.
The office has been investigating the situation of the Philippines for some time in relation to the so-called war on drugs. Last month, under the supervision of Deputy Prosecutor Manjay Niang, the team submitted a warrant application to the judges of the pre-trial chamber. The judges have issued that warrant and it's been executed. And in issuing the warrant, the judges have found reasonable grounds to believe that Mr. Duterte has committed the crime of murder as the founder, as the head of the so-called Davao death squad, as the mayor of Davao City, and then later as the president of the Philippines between 2011 and 2019.
He has been transferred to a detention facility along the Dutch coast. Duterte, who served as president from 2016 to 2022, is accused of orchestrating death squads as part of his anti-drug campaign. If convicted, he could become the first former Asian head of state to stand trial at the ICC. The arrest warrant accuses Duterte of creating, funding, and arming death squads responsible for the killings of alleged drug offenders.